we look at machine learning, we look at AI. So there's a lot of confusion. People mistake machine learning with AI. That understanding is not really there. So all those are the tools used by data scientists. Because as a data scientist, you need to have because those are the tools used for predictions. So the tools we use for predictions. So machine learning is a kind of it teaches computer to learn from data. It teaches computer to learn from data, and it's a subset of AI. Machine learning is a child of AI. So AI is the umbrella, while machine learning is inside is a part of AI. So people get it. Some people don't get that understand. They feel maybe machine learning AI. What are the differences? It's just machine learning is just one of the AI. AI is just the umbrella, covered everything. You know. So some of those examples like spam detection, Netflix recommendation, those are the use of machine learning. How many of you see when you are watching Netflix, after watching one movie, it will automatically recommend another movie for you based on what you have based on the previous movie you have watched. All those are the
Algorithm.
yes, those are the work of machine learning. Those are all those algorithms behind those. Those are the work of machine learning. You know, you will see kind of maybe you are someone send you mail, it's kind of automatically go to your junk box without you even doing it. It will push it to junk mail automatically. When you go, they see that most of those junk mail they are in junk mail because they kind of recognize as junk mail. All those are the work of machine learning. They do all those are going to do it behind the scene without you knowing. All those are the work of machine learning. So this is how it is. I just brought this diagram so that the guy can get the understanding, the picture of the level how it is. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella. Machine learning is a child of artificial intelligence, while deep learning is a subset of machine learning. These are the structure. So I'm sure this will give you the understanding. Machine learning is a subset of AI, while deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Deep learning is kind of advanced machine learning, use more of a neural. But those are too deep for now. I'm just kind of just want you guys to know that there's deep learning, there's machine learning, and they are both under artificial intelligence. So how this understanding a case so that you know that this is what differentiate AI with machine learning, so that kind of don't kind of misunderstand it. These are the structure. That is the best way I can explain so that you gain that understanding. So
If you want to, if you want to categorize them now
yeah.
between machine learning and deep learning,
Mm.
which one is higher?
As I said, is a machine learning is a type. Deep learning is a type of machine learning. It's inside. It's another type of machine learning.
Okay, a variance.
You said
Would you be like to say it's a variance of machine learning
yeah, it's a
or another
type.
branch?
It's another. Thank you. You use that word. Another branch of machine learning. Apart from deep learning, you can also see other type of machine learning, but deep learning is one of the most important branch of machine learning.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So just to ask for that much, sir.
Mm.
So that means, in essence, deep learning cannot function or cannot exist without machine learning.
It's a child of machine learning. You cannot say a child
Yes.
cannot
Okay.
exist without the father.
Exactly.
Are you getting
Yeah.
me?
So that. Yeah. Okay. So
It's
the
a
same
child.
way.
Mm,
Okay. So the same way, machine learning is also a child of artificial intelligence.
exactly.
Oh, right. That's fine. Thank
You
you.
understand? So he has some feature of it, he's a child of it. So the without artificial intelligence, there's no machine learning. It's a child of artificial intelligence. So that is it. So that takes us to the type. We're almost there now. So yeah, I think we are on time. Perfect. So yeah, this takes us to the types of machine learning. Machine learning, there are three main types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning. There are others, but there are these three main types of machine learning. We have the supervised learning, we have the unsupervised learning, and we have the reinforcement learning. So all the machine learning, all the machine learning you are seeing out there, they fall into these three types. So the first one, which is
Supervised.
the first one, which is supervised. How does it work? This one, how this work? This one kind of how will I put it? It kind of give you prediction based on, for example, let me like that spam mail I mentioned a while ago. That kind of whereby you it will tell you if this mail is spam or spam. It will automatically categorize it. That is supervised learning. You supervise it, that you tell it what to do. Like you label it, like for example, if you want to trade the model, like you said, you label it like this is spam me, this is not spam me. You label it, you use it to train your model. So at the end, the output, the result, we understand that this one is spam me, this one is not spam me. So that whenever it sees spam me, it will recognize it and push it to junk mail. So you teach it, to supervise it how to train, you supervise it how to get result. You label it, you tell it what to do to give the kind of result you want. Does that make sense? You tell it what to do to give the kind
Sorry,
of result you
please.
want.
So okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So I was just telling you to come again. So
Yeah, you tell it what to do to get the kind of result you want. I just make example with that spam me. Spam me, you can say this is spam me, this is not spam me. You know, anytime you see this, take it as spam me. Anytime you see this one, take it as not spam me. You use it to train your model. So later, after you have done that, then it will not be working down. Whenever you see a spam me, you say, "Oh, this is spam me according to what he said." So you're going to go to junk. Okay, this one you are not spam. Okay, remain the inbox. It will understand based on how you label it. It will be doing all those filtering for you. That is supervised learning, because you teach it what to do, you label it, you give this one label and that one used to train your data to tell it what to do. That is to predict your outcome. That is supervised learning. Then the supervised learning, you just put information you have no understanding about. The system will receive everything and give you the outcome. You are not supervising it, you are not labeling it, you're not telling this and this. You just take all this information, and based on it, will look at it, it will read the pattern and use it to give you the result. You just put everything for it. It itself will look at it. You like, oh, this one, like for example, you just put like let me give one okay, you just put like beds, your poor bed inside, you don't even know which of the bed. Just input beds. So then the system now look, oh, this bird, this one is flying. This one is not flying. Okay, you use his mind like this one that is flying, you go here. You are not flying, you go here. You are flying, you go here. It will now use the mind to separate them. based on the pattern, like, oh, because this one is fly, this is the feature that differentiates you from this other one. At the end, your output will not be separated based on this might be flying bird, this might be chicken. At the end, you now see the different parts, separate them for you. These are unsupervised learning. It learn based on the pattern. It will look at the pattern. This one, like this are this feature. This one does not have those features. We learn based on the pattern and use them to separate them and classify it different way to give you the output. Another instance, like human being, maybe just put human together, like you don't know, put everything in the system. If you now look at it like, if you look at the feature that male have that female don't have, if you use that to separate the male from the female, at the output, you will now say these are male, these are female, based on they have likely pattern. That is unsupervised learning. I don't know if that is clear.
Yes.
That is unsupervised learning. So the third one there is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning, these are what they use for robots. All those robots, all those driverless cars. These are reinforcement learning. How does it work? This learn based on reward. I'll give you a instance of that. For example, you have a dog. When you buy your dog, like, you are teaching your dog what to do. If you tell your dog to sit down, if you sit down, you will reward your dog. If you tell you to sit down, if you don't sit down, you smack your dog. Next time your dog sees that you tell it to sit down, it will sit down. If you don't want to sit down, if you smack, you know that what I'm doing, you are punishing me. I don't have to do that. So it will learn from how you teach what the information you are feeding that dog. So when it grows up, you now understand that I have to sit down, or maybe I have to eat with my plate. I have to go for a walk. When I'm outside, I have to, if my owner is working, I have to sit somewhere and wait for him. It will learn all those things based on reinforcement. When he was doing it rightly, you reward it. When he's doing it wrongly, you penalize it for it. That is how reinforcement works. You see all those robots you are seeing, that's how they are trained. They are rewarded when they are doing it right. When they are not doing it right, they are being penalized.
Punished.
They are being punished, yeah. Auto driverless car, that's how they work. So you see that they are driving, those cars are out, they are driving, their driverless cars is in America already. Now I think very soon Uber will start using the UK as well. That is how the driverless car works. You'll be driving. Once you see any obstacle, it will know when to stop all those things. Those are reinforcement learning. It punish it when it's not when it's doing what it's supposed to do, then reward it when it's doing what it's supposed to do. So these are the three types of machine learning.
Nice.
So these are three types of machine learning. So we're going to look at some of example. Yeah, this you see. First one there, these are Netflix recommending movie. These are machine learning, as I said earlier, whereby you watch movie, it will recommend for you. These are this algorithm. These are machine learning, powered by machine learning. It will tell you the next likely movie you want to watch. Based on your first movie. So if you look at it, Amazon, most of those company now, those e-commerce company, they do all that. Now you see, you buy something from Amazon, the next thing Amazon will recommend something for you based on what you bought before. Are you getting me? It will recommend for you. If you go to maybe Eatery now, McDonald's, as you pick your menu, it will recommend for you based on what you've chosen. So all the power behind all these are machine learning. They don't do those recommendations. They don't do all those recommendations on your behalf. So now there is fraud detection, as I said. Fraud detection. Banks use all those a lot. When they see kind of unusual transaction, it will flag it. This means that they are already trained already to know what is fraud and what is not fraud. Once it sees something that's unusual, it will flag it automatically and report it. It will detect it.
Yes.
There's a lot of software that do all that now. Those are machine learning as well. So another one is visual boss, like all those series, Alexa, ChatGPTs. All these are all products of machine learning. They are being trained with different models to act the way they are acting. So all these are types of machine learning. All these are examples of machine learning. Yes. So here there are some tools we use. These are some of them. Anaconda, as I said, probably next lesson I'll try to prepare some for you guys, like how the one that probably you can use. So these are some of them. We have Anaconda. That one includes, it's a kind of it's a big platform that consists of so many platforms. You got Jupyter Notebook and others. VS Code, they're all there. There's a Jupyter, there's Google Colab, there is VS Code. Excel, as I said, Excel, which are mostly used by data analysts, is there. The PowerPoint, all those are some of the tools that data science, data scientists, data analysts, data engineer, machine learning engineer, they all use all those tools. So I think we are on time. I think we are getting to the end of the lecture. So next time, probably I will guide you guys through. How did you get here? Next time I will guide you. I will kind of I'll go through some of those software that you can use. Probably I might kind of give you a step by step of probably how you can download it and use it. I'll give you a guide on how you can use it. Probably the Jupyter Notebook. That's what you probably will use. So yeah, so that is the end of it section. Yeah, and the recap of it: data science, turning data into insight, machine learning training model for making prediction. There are some tools we'll be using: Python, Jupyter, Pandas, scikit-learn. Yes, so I think we come to the end of today's section. If we are open for any question before we wrap it up. Yeah, we are out of time. 9. Yeah. So yeah, that's the end of this section. If any question, you can. Yeah, it's open for discussion.
Mr. Frank.
Yeah.
Sorry, I need to deviate a little bit. I think we'll learn or get one or two knowledge from this, my question.
Yeah.
When writing dissertation, the chapter 4 or 5, we talk about